So my DLT3000 here was just working yesterday, and then today I got on it and tried to move it, and it wouldn't move. Started right up, everything went fine, released the brake, and no go. So got her jacked up right now, took the deck off, and I'll show you what I found. I'm suspecting that the something's wrong with the drive belt. And here's the drive belt. It's on all the pulleys like it's supposed to. It's not broken or excessively worn. But check it out. If I reach up here and grab the brake, watch this pulley right here, or at least the belt there. If I look at that, and the belt just comes right off. So looks like there's a belt keeper here. Maybe that's bent. There's another one over here. Maybe that's bent. I don't know. But I do notice that up here on the back side, this pulley's got, it's plastic, and there's chunks missing. So I'll do a little research and find out what's going on there and get a new part. So as it turns out, that pulley that I'm trying to get access to underneath, the bolt that holds it on actually has a nut. Let's see if I can get light in there. And show you that now I've taken the battery out and the whole battery tray, and I'm going to show you that down there by the steering mechanism, way down here, is a 1/2 inch nut, and that's what's holding that pulley on. So with a wrench on this side and a ratchet on the other side, I'm going to get that pulley off. There we go. So now let's take a look at what we're looking at. It looks like the belt at one point was up here and rubbing on this thing. But so it's supposed to be like so, with those belt keepers there. Oh, gotta have that spacer. Alright, so I'm gonna get a new pulley on order and get this bad boy put back together. So I got the new part in. I'm gonna replace the belt right away too, but I want to show you that I got this new pulley in to replace this one that is damaged. And big difference I noticed is that you could almost tell without that the diameter of the new one is larger than this one, and that I think is going to really improve things, because if you look at the belt keeper here, the belt keeper previously had a pretty good sized gap. In fact, let's do it this way. Okay, so the gap that was, I mean, look at that gap between the pulley and the belt keeper. Now with the new pulley, you know, it's a lot closer there. So I'll do a much better job of keeping that belt in place. So I'm thinking this is going to work pretty good. I don't know if that was the only problem with this this lawnmower not driving, just the belt slipping off. But
Alright, so here we are. We got the new pulley put back in place with the larger diameter. The belt keeper is in place, and I even put on a new belt. So now if you look what was going on before, when I pull the brake down, it would just fall off. And now you'll see it's doing what it's supposed to do. That belt keeper is keeping it on. So there you go. I'll put everything back together, make sure it drives, and I'm sure that it will. So thanks for watching.